So I cooked the potatoes, and now I'm frying some rice. I'm cooking some rice. I fried the potatoes, and I made a potato stew sort of. And now I'm cooking some rice. And me, I'm a vegan, so I don't eat any meat. So my rice is ready, and time to eat. It seems ready anyway. Yeah, it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. So it's time to eat. Back to the stone, back to the olden days, back to the old ways of cooking and living, basically. So bon appetit. I will show you the food in a few minutes. There is the food. Finito. So here I have the potatoes and a tomato sauce, kind of a tomato potato stew. And here I have avocado and kachumbari, basically, and the rice. So yeah, it takes a bit of time to cook, but comes out amazing. Yeah, so this is it. Bon appetit. You're welcome to eat. Okay, bye.